Hello, I'm Lillian Nave, and there's a reason why I'm small on the bottom of the screen and my students are up here in the middle. And that's because they, through the use of Universal Design for Learning principles, were empowered to be their full selves and to speak truly and affect change on our little campus this year. I'd like to tell you a little bit about it. What you're looking at here is the website that they created and that they designed. I opened up some avenues for them and they went running with it. This was a chance for my students to talk to, instead of a final exam, have a meeting with our chancellor. And they wanted to meet with our chancellor because in the fall of 2017, we had some very difficult times on southern campuses, college campuses, and that included how students, especially diverse student bodies, were reacting to the public art and especially Confederate memorials on campus. And this happened to be the most diverse group of students who represented several nations, many ethnicities, religions, and came from a very diverse background. And they were very concerned. And therefore, they decided that they would like to choose a focus of our local community. And therefore, they put together this website to act as a way to inform our chancellor about what we had been learning in a way in which all students could participate, and then to offer a time when we could speak with the chancellor. So as their instructor, I set up a chance for the students to bring their best selves and have a discussion with the chancellor. So what I would like to show in our session is how the UDL principles or guidelines of optimizing individual choice and authenticity, optimizing relevance, value, and authenticity, and minimizing threats and distractions help to create a phenomenal epic finale in which the goals and objectives of the course were made authentic and true, and my students were able to bring their full selves to the university.